In this video, we're going to take a look at Workflowy tags. Workflowy tags are a really flexible way of adding little bits of structure to your own content within Workflowy. They're pretty simple to use. You type a hash to get started, and then you can type in characters, any characters afterwards that you want. Here we've got a bunch of tags that I've already created. And what I'm going to do is simply show you how I use tags to organise this new idea that I've had and get it into turning it into a real project, all using tags. So having created this first node, and I've added some thoughts to it, I'm going to tag it with the hashtag idea. I'm also going to add WF because it's a Workflowy idea. Now, as you can see, you can actually colorize tags as well to make them stand out when you're actually using them. So what I've got now is an idea which I have tagged, and it's now ready to be moved somewhere else. I've got a separate little collection of ideas here, and you can see I've got other examples of ideas that I've collected. So I'm just going to move that idea into this bullet here. What's great about tags is that not only do they give you some structure, so I can see that there are a bunch of different ideas here, some of them work related, some personal, etc. But they also make it really easy to find and search. So I can click on any tag and it will then search for it, and it will search across all of my Workflowy account if I'm at the top level, where if I'm zoomed into a specific node, it will search only across that level. But as you can see, I've now found all the different idea tags, things tagged with idea across my account, and I can specify another tag. So I'm searching again for even more detail. And as you can see, I've now found all of my tags within my ideas collection. I can also save this search if I wanted to, like so. And then in this sidebar over here, I've actually already got an existing version of this search. But as you can see, I could click here, and then if I wanted to, just run that search and search for that matching for those tags anytime I wanted. So there's several ways of being able to find content in Workflowy. It's very, very flexible. Then, at any stage, I could remove a tag. In this instance, I'm going to start working on this project, so I'm going to turn it from an idea into an actual project now. So I'm going to give it a new tag, which is project. I'm going to escape out of this search, and then I'm going to search for all of my projects that I'm potentially working on. Just going to collapse some of these nodes here. And you can see I've got a folder here with things that I'm working on. And so I'm going to drag my tables here into my projects, so it's ready for me to work on as I go. So that's just a quick use of tags, showing you how I organise a project, and it's showing you just a quick flow from idea through to live project, and I'm using tags to keep myself organised.